Heyo everybody, it's Rachu, and today I am redrawing my old art from 2018. I know it wasn't that long ago, but I have really changed my art style in that time, so I thought it'd be fun to compare and contrast the two drawings. So this is a strawberry cat fairy, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure what prompted me to draw this. I remember that around this time I had been gifted my very first Copic marker from a friend of mine, and I wanted to use it everywhere. So the darker red patches in the eyes and the strawberries were colored using that marker. Also, I was obsessed with drawing cats at the time, and I still kinda am. Now, one of the ways I notice I've changed my art is the flow of the posing. My old art was very stiff, and I wasn't a very confident artist yet. So I started with some really rough blocking in of where the head, chest, legs, and tail would go. I also decided to change the cat's expression so it looked both innocent and youthful, and like it had just been discovered by a human. The original had a really dull face, and I wanted to change it up a bit. There's a few little things that I do differently now when drawing cats. The ears are a lot bigger, the paws are daintier, and the chest is floofier. I used to draw tails that were really bushy, because I thought the normal cat tails I drew looked weird. Everyone in my family calls them foxtails, and understandably so. I also changed up where the strawberries went. I don't know why I put strawberries right in front of the original's paws. Maybe I was thinking it would look like he was in a strawberry patch? Anyway, I put the strawberries farther away from the cat's paws this time. Now, onto the coloring. The original was colored using colored pencils and my one Copic marker, but I just didn't want to use colored pencils this time. So instead, I used watered down gouache and treated it like watercolor. Unfortunately, the paper couldn't handle the water, so I thought I could press down on it with the book and fix the bubbliness of the paper, but it made it worse. A lot worse. The paper got these weird striations, and it kind of ruined the final outcome, I think. Maybe I should fix it in a speed paint sundae. Hey guys, let me know in the comments if I should fix this painting in the next speed paint sundae. Okay, so what I'm doing here is picking up the excess paint with a dry brush. If you don't have a paper towel or tissue on hand, you can do this to get rid of any unwanted paint from your picture. Just a little tip for y'all. One thing I wanted to keep from the original is the see-through wings. Come to think of it, maybe that's why I drew a fairy cat. Anyway, I liked how you can still see the cat's fur through the wings. It adds interest in an otherwise straightforward subject. And with these last few strawberries, that just about wraps it up for me. As always, I hope you enjoyed seeing my process. Which picture do you like better, before or after? Let me know. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!